2, 3, 4. We're gonna learn to be happy, having fun with Mr. Oopy.
Hey kids, it's Mr. Oopy. It's time to unwrap more presents. I wonder what we have today. Let's have a look. Oh, this is an interesting shape. Do you like receiving presents? Me too. I wonder what it will sound like if we shake it. Doesn't sound like there are many things in there. Let's just open it up. I think you're going to love this one. What is this? Is that my nose? Bang. Or is it a unicorn with fluffy hair? Wow! Rainbocorn! Can't wait to open this up. It says big hair surprises. Super sassy hair you can style. Wow! It says new big hair, boo-boo corns to collect. Let's open this up. Exciting. One big egg. Oh, what's that in the front? Love heart. I wonder what we do with that. Okay, trying to get the sticky tape off. Okay. Oh, there's more tape. Is there something in my face? Wow. Look at this Rainbocorn. Wow. That is fluffy. Oh. Does it make any sounds? No, it doesn't, but it's a beautiful, fluffy Rainbocorn. Look at all the colours, yellow, pink, blue, beautiful colours. Oh, there's its eyes and nose and arms. Hi everyone, I'm Rainbocorn and I am going to have a great day today and I hope you do too. Yay! Thank you, Rainbocorn. Legs, great. Let's see. So we place the heart there. Let's see what we do with the love heart. If we... Oh. So we use our fingers brushing upwards. Well, that's great, isn't it? Look at all the colours. Pink, orange and yellow. Excellent. And we can go the other way. It's very fluffy. Love the hair. Let's see what's inside. Lots of presents. Great. Headband with lots of colours, pink and yellow. What do we do with this? Oh, I know. No, okay. Oh, like this. A headband. And pretending we have long hair. Love the hairband. Great. What else do we have? Oh, look. We have some eggs. Egg. Look at the beautiful love heart. I think there's 3. 1, 2, and 3. This one's already open, so let's open this one. We'll take the heart out. Boop. Boop. Open and let's see what's inside the egg. Oh, we've got a hair clip, like that. We could put the love heart and clip it on to our hairband, or clip. Oh. Awesome. What else do we have? Oh, there's our ring. Our ring with the love heart on it. Place it on your finger. And our little rainbow corns. Oh, very cute. With some butterfly, which you can also put on the ring like this. Here we are, it's a butterfly ring. Great, and there's 3 of them. What else do we have? Oh, look, hair extensions. I just put that under my hair. There, like my hair. It's really long, isn't it? There's your hair extension, and it has clips on the back as well. That is great. Ooh. Inside this packet we have beads and string. Place the beads through the string and you can make a necklace or a wristband, and it has a cute little rainbow corn pendant. I won't make it right now, but there it is there. Awesome. What else do we have? Oh, there's something else. They come in these beautiful packets. I love them. Oh, great. Hairband. For those of you who have long hair, I don't. Wonder if I could tie it up. Here we are. Yes, nice. Hairband. And let's have a look at this. Oh, it's a hairbrush, and we push it out. Great. Shall we brush Rainbocorn's hair? Slick it right back, nice. Great hairbrush. Then you can close it back. Excellent. There's a few more things. You get stickers. More stickers. That's it. Great. Well, that was a wonderful surprise. There were so many in that one. Until next time, it's bye for now from Mr. Oopy. I might just brush the unicorn. Bye. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe.